Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to analyze research aptitude questions of paper 2018 UGC net paper 2018 question paper this is. So first question is identify the correct order of the following components which are interrelated in research. So here we have to identify the uh, components which are interrelated in research, and means we have to first step by step, means we have to make correct step chronology. So the answer is here, the answer is second one. So first we have to do observation is first. The first step is observation, then second is step is developing concept, second step is developing concept, and then hypothesis making. Friend, hypothesis making means to create idea or explanation that is used throughout the test. Okay, then what we have to do is, after hypothesis, fourth is discussing the consequence of the theories, means we have to discuss the consequence of the theories, and last is fifth, method employed to obtain them, means these were the correct chronology of research, the research in step by step research. So let's go to the next question. See, in the list given below, identify those statements which are correctively describe the meaning and characteristic of research. Means here question is asking, we have to choose the correct options. We have to select the correct options that which are describing the correct meaning and characteristics of research. So let's see the answer. Then we will explain. I will explain in detail. First is second, fourth, and sixth. What is second? See, deductive and inductive method get integrated in a research process. Yeah, that is correct. We use both the method in our research, deductive and inductive. So this option is correct. And fourth, research is the use of scientific method to provide answer to meaningful question. Yes, research is only done where a question is meaningful. We cannot do research of every questions which is very meaningful question. We used to do research of this question. So research is the use of scientific method to provide answer to meaningful question. And last is 6, answer provided by research can be empirically verified. Empirically verified means, friend, which is experimented and based on experiment. Okay, so question number 8, which is next question our, this is very important, and by with the help of this question we will understand ex post facto method, case study method, philosophical method, and descriptive survey method. So let's see what is question 8 is speaking. In the two lists given below, list 1 provide the type of research method, list 2 indicate the critical features associated with them. Match the two lists and choose the correct answer from the code given below. So let's see ex post facto method. What ex post facto method deal? So it deal with the causal comparison and correlation studies. Okay, and what is the means of ex post facto? Means this is an post facto research design is a method in which groups with qualities that are already exist are compared, ex post compared to some dependent variable. Means also ex post facto is also called after the fact. Okay, so the correct answer is causal comparison and correlation studies. So case study method, case study, what is the case study? Fifth, in-depth study. Friend, where the word came case study, we have to know that they are talking about in-depth study. So it is clear in case study we used to do in-depth study of a unit, specified or a purpose. Whatever the purpose we have to do in-depth study. This is called case study method. Okay, third is what? Philosophical method. So what is philosophical? We all know philosophy means great think, great thoughts. So philosophical method, interpretation of thoughts of great thinker, is called philosophical method. And last is our descriptive survey method. So this finding out the status based on study of a large sample. In descriptive survey method we have a large sample, we are given by a large sample, and we have to find the status. What is the status of this? Means what this survey is what does the basic of the survey? Okay, finding out the status based on a study of a large sample is called descriptive survey method. I hope these all four option has been clear to you. So next question, a research use parametric test in lieu of non-parametric test of analysis and interpretation of result. This may be described as a case of. So in which case, so the question is asking in which case non-parametric test is used. So the answer is malpractice in reporting of result. So malpractice in reporting of result, non-parametric test for analyzation and interpretation of result. So this is described as malpracticing in reporting of result. So question number 10, which of the following provide more latitude to the research for creative expression? So there are four options we are given, and we have to select which one need the more creative thoughts, so more creative expressions. So the right answer should be gone to the presentation of conference paper, because when we are in conference, we should only the conference hall, when conference is going on, so there are all the creative expression person, all the creative persons. Okay, so I hope these questions are clear. Now we will go to the next questions. So same match are there. There are two sets given below. Set 1 specifies the type of research, while set 2 indicate their characteristics. Match the two and give your answer by selecting the appropriate code. Now we have to match and get the correct answer. So how many research are there? Fundamental research, applied research, action research, and evaluating research. So this we are going to deal with this. So first, fundamental research. What is the meaning of fundamental research? Is second option is correct for fundamental research. Developing an effective explanation through theory building. So in fundamental means, fundamental is also known as basic research. So in base, what we do, we make through theory building, means we study theory, we make theory of the all research. So this is fundamental. Okay. Second is applied research. B for B. Third is correct. Improving an existing situation through use of interventions means, what in applied research, what we do, we applied some in existing situation. In this situation, we applied some through use of intervention. We applied some our methods. This is called applied research. Okay, what is means to improve your research, to improve. In applied research, you do improvement. Okay, improving an existing situation means, what is the situation, you have to improve. This is called applied research. Okay, so what is action research? Is our fourth option is correct for action research. Exploring the possibility of a theory for use in various situations. So what is the action research? In action research, what we do, exploring the possibility of theory for use in various situations. So we can use a situation in various situations, means a current situation, we use a certain situation for a certain problem, is called action research. Okay, what is evaluating? Evaluating means enriching technological research. Simply means evaluating is enriching technological research. Okay, next question is what? This is very important and very simple, very basic question. Which of the set of activity based indicate the cycling nature of action research strategy? So let's have an answer. And four. First we have to plan, then we have to act, then we have to observe, and last reflect. So learn as it is. What we will do in research strategy, when we are making strategy to do research, first of all, we will plan. Of course, we will, if we are going to anywhere for, and if you are going to in holiday also, what we do, we plan, then we act, then we observe and reflect. Okay. Question number 8 is very important, because this is most time asked by the exams. Which of the following sequence of research step is nearer to scientific method? So this is they're asking for. In first question, what we read the simple research. Okay, simple step of research. But in this question, what is there is a, what we have to do is sequence of research step is nearer to scientific method. So let's have a look on answer. Second one is correct. In second one, what we do? Prescribing the problem situation. First, we have to prescribe the problem situation, locating the actual problem and its definition. Locating. First, we have to then what is the actual problem does it facing with, and we have to create a definition. Hypothesis. Hypothesizing. Disusing the consequence of such a situation and testing the hypothesis in action. The thing is same. Both the thing is same, only what we have to do is the wording they are using different. Okay, perceiving the problem situation, same we have to I think we have done there also. We have done observation. Means what is the meaning of observation? Means perceiving the, this is also what is means perceiving the problem situation, then locating the actual problem and its definition, then hypothesizing, disusing the consequence of suggest solution and testing the hypothesis in action. Okay, first, so question number 9. The problem of research ethics is concerned with which aspect of research activity? So it is evidence based research reporting. Yes. And what is research ethics? Research ethics is all the set of rules which are for that no one should pilgrimage. There are lots of set of rules for the no one should use other research, or they give other, if someone has made an hypothesis or other one has tested this and you are using without taking permission or without asking for it. So this is all research ethics. Means your research should be pure and new. Okay, so evidence based research reporting, the answer is for research ethic. So your 10th question is, in which of the following activities potential for nurturing creative critical thinking for relatively greater? The answer is same, because as we have done that also. Participation in research conference. If someone is participating in research conference, so he should be active, potential, nurturing and creative critical thinking. Okay, so these were the some important question of research aptitudes. For next video I must be making for our environmental studies. So please do subscribe and like my video.